Hello, good morning again, guys. Plant orchids again and again. So, another video sharing with you, guys. As usual, succulents. Ayan, ang dami na nila. Ayan. So, black prince, regalo ng aking husband. Slight var chroma. Pangalawang palapag na tayo. So, may chopstick pa dyan kasi nagtatanim ako, guys. Nagre-replant. So, another chroma. Tapos, ito si Bloody Jam. Si Bloody Maria, ang ganda niya. Si Tinkerbell na var. Si Trumpet. Si Angel's Finger. Kalimutan ko yung ID niyan. Si Cream Tea. Tsaka ito yung first na palapag. Ganda na champagne tsaka ni Orpid. So that's all for me, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.